Hi, this is Chris Smith for T3.com, and I've just come out of their HTC press conference where they've announced 3 new phones today, and they've gone from Hero to Legend. The HTC Legend was the first phone announced, and it is the upgrade from the mightily impressive Hero. So what's different about the HTC Legend? Well, it's got an aluminium unibody, as you can see. It goes right the way around, and little rubber patches at the end and at the top here. It's a much improved design on the old Hero. So if I just switch this on here, and you can see the screen quality is much better too. That's because it's an OLED screen. Same size, it looks a little bit smaller because of the diminished size of the body itself, but it's the same size, and the screen quality is absolutely fantastic. It's got a 5 megapixel camera, as you can see here, with a flash, which is very nice indeed, and it retains the 3.5mm headphone jack at the top. Another innovation over the Hero is the dispensing of the trackball, which was quite temperamental, certainly on my model anyway, and it's been replaced with this optical one here that also works as a button. The search, back, menu and home screens have been moved up from the chin just to the bottom of the screen also. Now, it's not just the hardware that has been changed, it's also new software. A new edition of HTC Sense has been launched today with some pretty cool updates, to be honest. If I just open this here, you can see an app called Friendstream, which takes things like your Twitter and your Facebook and your Flickr and merges them all into one stream. So you can see all of your Facebook status updates, tweets, photos, everything. If I just click on that there, it takes me to an app where I can see everything and just flick between them there. Very cool indeed. It's also updated the way that your contacts are organized. So you can now choose friendship groups for different sets of people. So you can see here I've got my co-workers and I've got my friends, not just all of my favorites in one place. That's really handy as well. Now, one of the minor gripes that some HTC customers had on the Hero and some of the other phones are the 7 home screens. If you want to get from one end to the other, it actually takes you a while, but they've improved that with perhaps the quirkiest new addition to the Sense UI, which is a pinch to zoom they're calling Leap. So if I just pinch on my home screen here, you can see all 7 of my home screens there, and I can just select which one I want, and it takes me right there. How cool is that? Another neat little innovation to the Sense UI is this quite unique word search feature. So I've got the browser open at T3.com at the moment. If I just click on the word heights there, you can see it's been highlighted. I loose that go, and then it gives me 3 options. I can copy that text to a clipboard, I can send the URL to a friend, or I can click on this little magnifying glass and do this. So that brings up a Wikipedia entry for the word that I'm searching for. Here you can see it's come up, the word heights. I can also translate it into any language that I want, and I can look it up in Google Dictionary. Now, of course, the HTC Legend is running Android. This is 2.1 Eclair, and you're going to be able to get this phone as soon as April. Within a couple of short months, it's going to be available on all the networks in the UK. HTC have been bragging about the fact that all the networks want their phone, and it's easy to see why with releases like this.